Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best survival gear that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Biolite HeadLamp. The Biolite 200 headlamp ended up in our tester's hands by a mistake about 4 years ago. Since then, it has been a dependable and bright headlamp for night climbing, hiking, camping, and more. Weighing in at a mere 50 grams, it's one of the lightest headlamps around and so far has been virtually indestructible. Our tester is forgetful and has lost it many times, but it always pops back up. It's been dropped, tied to trees, and used in so many other odd situations. Our tester is notoriously hard on gear and not much has changed in 4 years with this headlamp except for some discoloration on the adjustable band. Recharging is quick and easy with the included micro USB cord. Our tester usually recharges it in her van so it can stay there and be at the ready for adventures. Other features our tester adores are the flip-down front panel and 6 lighting modes and a maximum output of 200 lumens. The runtime is advertised at 40 hours on low and 3 hours on high, but our tester found that the runtime on high was generally longer. Moving on at number 4, we have the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is necessary gear that can turn that stagnant pool into a lifesaver. Ditch the water purification tablets and carry a LifeStraw instead. LifeStraw also makes water bottles with their filters built into them if you want a more convenient way to drink water. The LifeStraw portable water filter meets EPA standards and has been shown to remove more than 99.9% of waterborne parasites and bacteria. Plus, it is built to last for over 4,000 liters of water. Humanitarian relief workers in all corners of the globe use LifeStraw to help bring clean water to threatened communities and refugee camps. The straw itself weighs a scant 0.1 pounds and measures 9 inches in length and 1 inch in diameter. Just stick it in the water you want to drink, and it will filter it through a microfiltration membrane, removing bacteria and parasites as you suck. Bring this survival tool with you whenever you venture into the wild and make sure waterborne illnesses are not on the menu. At number 3, we have the Ovox Bivy Bag. The Ovox Bivy Bag single is a must-have for any mountaineer, alpine climber, or anyone who has a chance of being caught outdoors overnight. This bag packs down to nearly the same size as the VSSL Camp Supplies canister, see below, but adds only 7 ounces to your pack. Thankfully our tester hasn't been benighted yet, but this bivy bag is easy to carry and has been stowed for multiple ski tours and will be a welcome companion on summer alpine climbs. We love that this bivy sack is so light and easy to pack. When deployed, it's roomy for one person. The fabric is windproof and water resistant, protecting you in unpredictable alpine conditions. Our other favorite feature is the bright orange color that makes being spotted by rescuers or other climbers easy, but the stow bag compression sack is an attractive blue. At number 2, we have the Adventure Medical Kit's Ultralight and Watertight Medical Kit. They are small enough to fit in the bottom of your backpack, water resistant, and contain all the essential medical supplies for a short trip. If you go on longer trips or are responsible for many people, you may want to customize this first aid kit with other things or buy the more comprehensive version. When you run out of band-aids, alcohol pads, or medications, you can get refills on their website to make sure that your first aid kit is always stocked and ready for an emergency. You can also choose which size first aid kit you want: 0.3, 0.7, or 0.9, each of which has more supplies. They all include medications for bites, pain, and fever, bandages, and more depending on the size. Plus the whole kit fits in a waterproof bag, inside an outer bag. I have also been able to slip in Wilderness First Responder Field Guidebook to the first aid kit bag, and a patch kit as well. And finally at number 1, we have the Uncharted Supply Co 72 Survival System. If you're looking for a complete, ready-to-go kit, check out this comprehensive survival kit for the first 72 hours after an emergency. Uncharted Supply Co. thought of everything, including a high-quality backpack to hold all your gear in. The waterproof fabric and roll-top design hold everything you need to survive. This kit includes many of the things already on our list but compiles it all into a ready-to-go backpack. It has a first aid kit, emergency blanket, emergency rations, a water filter, flashlight, multi-tool, shovel, sunscreen, radio, water bottle, and so much more. If you just want your whole survival gear list packed for you and ready to go, this is the kit for you.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.